you aware of the fact that in 21st century most of the couples are suffering from infertility? If yes, this infertility is not only a physical and psychological problem, it is also a economic burden on the couples suffering with infertility. For this infertility, Ayurveda as a holistic approach is offering promising results. In dealing with this infertility, both male and female are equally responsible and both of them are investigated for infertility. Namaste, I am Dr. Sindhura. You know me through Sri Kari Ayurvedic Education Center. Today we are going to discuss about a famous yoga from Ayurveda called Phalasarpi or Phalagrita. The Phalagrita or the Phalasarpi which we are discussing today is an excellent medicine for both male and female infertility. According to the Hindu mythology also, the king Dilipa Maharaja of Raghuvamsha dynasty suffered this infertility. For begetting children, he prayed the holy mother cow Kamadhenu. In this yoga of Phalasarpi, we have cow's milk and cow's ghee as the primary ingredients. So by taking this Phalasarpi, you can also get the blessings of this motherly cow and beget children. In this video, we are going to discuss about Phalasarpi, its sloka and reference, its ingredients, clinical indications and the research part of this Phalasarpi. This Phalasarpi is having reference from the Ashtanga Hrudaya Uttarasthana Guhyaroga Pratishedi Adhyayam. Here comes the sloka. Manjishta, Kushta, Tagara, Trifala, Sharkara, Vacha, Dvenishe, Madhukam, Meda, Deepyakam, Katurohinim, Payasya, Hinguka Koli, Vaje Ganda Shatavari, Pishtva Akshamsam, Gritaprastam, Pachit, Kshira Chaturgunam, Yoni Shukra Pradosheshu, Tat Sarveshu Prashashyate, Ayushyam Paustikam Medhyam, Dhanyam Pumsavanam Param, Phalasarpi Ritikyatam, Pushpe Pite Phalayayat, Mriyamana Prajanamcha Garbhineenamcha Pujitam, Etat Paramcha Balanam, Grahagnam Dehavardhanam. Starting the preparation, all the ingredients from the Manjishta to Shatavari each are to be taken in Aksha Pramana, that is each 12 grams. The cow ghee should be taken in the quantity of 1 prastha and the cow milk is taken 4 times of this grita, that is 4 prastha. All these ingredients are taken, well mixed and prepared according to the Grita Pakavidhi. Now the part of clinical indications according to the classics. The first line says that Yoni Shukra Pradosheshu Tat Sarveshu Prashashyate. In all the Yoni Rogas that is related to the female and in all the Shukra Rogas that is related to the male, this Phalasarpi is an excellent medicine. Ayushyam, it is improving the lifespan. Paushtikam, it has its impact on the physical growth spurt of both male and female, especially during the pubertal age. Medhyam, it has its impact on the intellect of the both male and female. Dhanyam Pumsavanam Param, it also helps in begetting desired child. The parents will definitely have an healthy and intellectual child by consuming this Phalasarpis. The next line says the Phalasarpi as Pushpe Pite Phalayayat. That Phalasarpi. So it clearly says that Pushpe, that is during menstruation, if the female consumes this Phalasarpi, then Phalaya, that is there going to be a proper ovulation by consuming this Phalasarpi. The next line says Mriyamana Prajanamcha Garbhineenamcha Pujitam. It says that in a pregnant woman who is having recurrent IUD and recurrent abortion, that is a pregnant woman with bad obstetric history should take this Phalasarpi and the results will be promising. The last line says Etat Paramcha Balanam Grahagnam Dehavardhanam. It is an excellent tonic for the children and it is Grahagnam, that is, it also prevents most of the viral and bacterial infections in the children, and it is Dehavardhanam. It has its effect on the physical growth of the children. In the animal experimentation, Phalasarpi is given and it improved the levels of estradiol, and overall weight of the ovary is also increased after using this Phalasarpi. Also, it is proved to promote ovulation in cases of anovulatory cycles. Again, it is also a proven remedy in cases of amenorrhea where the period is delayed for many long months. In cases of PCOD, when Phalasarpi alone is given, 50% of the females started ovulating after using this Phalasarpi. Also, in the cases of primary ovarian failure and also in the cases of low AMH, you can use Phalasarpi as Matravasti. You can use this Phalasarpi with promising results in cases of amenorrhea, in cases of anovulation, in cases of lean PCODs, in cases of hormonal imbalance where the estrogen levels are very low, and in cases of primary amenorrhea in the females, and also in the males where the testosterone levels are low. It is mainly stimulant of hypothalamo-pituitary gonadal axis. If it is taken in a female, it corrects this hypothalamo-pituitary ovarian axis and stimulates the production of estrogen. Finally, concluding this Phalasarpi, this is an excellent tonic during the preconceptional period, during the pregnancy period, and in children, and also in the male and females during the pubertal age. In all the cases of infertility where there is hormonal imbalance, where there is anovulation, where there is irregular menstrual cycle, where there is amenorrhea, you can happily use this Phalasarpi and get excellent results. Thank you.